advisory is now in effect for this area for a mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Any accumulations of the sleet or freezing rain will create serious problems with outdoor activities. At this time, it is difficult to determine how much freezing rain or sleet will fall.
Hey,
so
Jim.
this area will be watched closely for the
What are you doing?
of a winter storm warning for significant and damaging accumulations of ice.
At the camera. That's the camera.
Watch is in effect for the entire state of Arkansas tonight and for all but the northwest on Thursday.
Left your lights on, darling. Okay.
I got a hand set off, $2.
Get out here. Come on.
No.
Come on. I will. Come on. Mama, tell Vicky, come on, you get out here with her. Hurry. Tell her. Y'all get out there.
Don't pause.
Hurry,
Hurry, Tommy. Hurry.
Wave at me.
Wave fast.
Vicky, I'll knock this out of you if you throw it at me.
I've got to get it back in the house. Look at Gerald. Gerald, come on.
She's hit you.
Gerald got a job now.
Look at it, got us out there and get executed without that water.
Gerald, shut up. Get a hold of it and carry it. Come on.
Dean, bring it.
Tommy. Yeah, it is.
Don't be mad. I'm supposed to sleep on top of this instead.
You're good, Tommy. What you having?
You want tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Only time we get the place when there ain't no business.
Oh, well. You got me. How much more can you ask for?
We've been wondering if you was coming. Leon, shut up. We got time to play today. I'm gonna watch you tonight. These girls made me open, and I've done nothing but film customers in the snow. Teach them. Won't none of us be here tomorrow? Another 6 inches tonight. They said the worst day ever.
Won't be here either.
No, there won't be nobody.
Another 6 inches. Choice.
She sent Larry after. She charged her $1.50.
Piece that wide.
She got $3.50.
Is that right?
She got $3.50 in that pie.
Got more than that.
Y'all do something Tuesday and watch you on TV tonight.
Who's TV?
Tommy?
On my TV.
I'd enjoy that. I'd like to watch that. Did he? Well, you're only 2.
Turn around.
Oh, smile.
I'm gonna send this.
Not gonna get on it?
I'm gonna send this.
All morning outside.
I'm gonna send this to Playboy Channel's Candid Camera.
Who owes him stuff?
Nobody
Couldn't
else.
send it to Chuck Dover's.
Huh?
Traveling Arkansas.
We ain't traveling too far though.
That's right. We doing a lot better than one that
I think I'll walk home.
Man, walk down the new way and get you past.
I think I'll go through.
I'll be back.
Hey, did he take you to
No. Is it wine?
They might run out down at New Lane, they had to go to Moore's.
Well, I think I'll go.
Imagine how thankful that. My opinion. My opinion.
I'm a filming you, Daddy. I was a filming you.
Mom,
What?
film me.
What me?
Mama, film me, please.
I ain't got some of this snow.
Hey, Tom, you look pressure.
If it gets any worse.
I was hoping everybody gets fired. That video going. Got a picture there?
Wait a minute.
What?
Larry? Larry?
Good catch, Dad!
Divide it between them.
What was it?
Straight. Bring it in close, where you see.
I wonder if Robert left David and Bud there.
Here, I want to feed you. And then I want you out here away from me. Here. Stand the cat under me.
It's cold.
Snow cooking. Look who's up it.
I was with my aunt and we were in the animal shelter. You know, I thought it was like a car sandwich now. And I'm looking monster here. That's what I said. No, yeah. I was supposed to be number one track guy, you know, in track. And I said, every time I get up, I fall down. Fall down. I'd be mad. Every
But police, fire, and ambulance personnel are all on duty and are responding to calls. They are also assisting the elderly by taking them to reach doctor's appointments and also picking up prescription drugs for those who are in need of those. And the Sheriff's Department at this hour is working to assemble a team of four-wheel drive vehicles to aid them in that effort. So they are discouraging travel, but residents in the area that are in Conway County who are in need of medication or have emergency medical situations, the police, ambulance, and fire personnel are on duty and are ready to respond.
Tim, I know that one other concern that will be right at the forefront early tomorrow morning will be, has the school superintendents of your area said anything about school closings? And I'm sure that that's one thing you're wondering about.
Johnny, like many others, we have not heard anything from them. They're out driving the roads at this time. I don't see personally any possible way that they can hold school tomorrow. The situation is much worse this afternoon. It will be in the morning than it was this morning. We expect them to cancel out schools in the county.
One other thing we have long at this time is that most of you look out now and headed home or are home or have been home.
Open.
The sun, even though it's cloudy, is beginning to set and will be setting in the next 30 minutes. And that means that we're going to have the onslaught of darkness. And this is going to complicate things immensely. So please get those headlights on, and if you have not already headed home, please make arrangements to do so, because as darkness falls, the visibility is going to be cut in half or less of what we have now, which is very poor, and you're going to have a more difficult time finding where the edges of the roadways are, where the center of the roadways are, so please.
Michael! Come on, I can't breathe in this. I've got to.
Peace. Jacqueline Adams, CBS News, the White House.
You know every time.
Defense Secretary Carlucci met with leaders in Bahrain today and reaffirmed the U.S. military commitment to the Gulf. He said there were no official plans to trim the fleet in the region, but refused to rule it out. Before leaving Kuwait this morning, Carlucci said he had not